Hi folks, Leigh Farnell here, and Perth is now in lockdown. So the big question becomes, what the hell are you going to do during lockdown? How are you going to make the most of it? The rest of Australia are out of it, but how are you going to make the most of lockdown? The big question, how do I make the most of my time in lockdown? Well, I want to give you three things you should be thinking about. One, first of all, let's set some goals. What do you want to achieve in 2021? What do you want to achieve in your life, your career, your business, your health, your money in 2021? Secondly, what about this? What about having a plan? A plan says this is where I am now and this is where I want to get to. And then the plan has a series of milestones. But then who do you trust to help get what is between your ears out onto a plan? Thirdly, what we know is this, that how you think determines your results. Yet your brain didn't come with a manual. The mind did not come with a manual. Mind did not come with a manual. And so your thinking, what goes on between your ears, is going to make a massive difference. So in lockdown, I'm going to recommend you do these three things. One, set some goals. Two, come up with a plan. And three, spend some time thinking about your thinking. And by the way, if you want to go into further detail about how to do any of these things, then touch base with me. If you think that anything I've said made any sense and you like any of this content and you're committed to making 2021 a fantastic year for your career, your business, your life, your health, I've got a great offer for you. I've put some time aside in my calendar, particularly this week in lockdown in Perth, to help you solve these problems and get some of the results and goals you want achieved. So go ahead, book some time, click the link below to whether it be grow your business, advance your career, grow your sales, take your team performance to the next level. Look, remove some of those limitations and unleash that true potential that you really have so that you can live your best life and the best version of yourself. I want to help you with sales. I want to help you with money. I want to help transfer some of my experience to you. Click below and let's turn lockdown into a time of super productivity. Click below. See you soon.